Hi, this is Jamie with Antelope Beads. Today we're going to do a bracelet technique using this fun half hook clasp. This clasp works with the 5mm round leather. In this instance I'm going to use a braided leather, but here's a couple other examples using just the plain round 5mm leather. You can see the hook comes in a lot of varieties. Again, I have the copper. Here's a black gunmetal. And here's a fun silver with kind of a pave crystal inside the button part. So let's get started. I have about 11 inches here of the braided leather. I'm going to fold that in half and kind of let the ends curve together naturally, the way that they want to. Next, I'm going to take my chain nose pliers and I'm going to use these with a 10mm O-ring. The pliers will help me to stretch open the ring, which will make it easier for me to get both ends of this leather through. It's especially important with the braided leather to try to use this technique to help prevent the ends from fraying. So I have the one O-ring on, and I'm just going to slide it up until I leave myself a loop about that size in the leather. I'm going to follow that with a copper spacer slider, a black porcelain clay river design slider, another copper slider, and one more 10mm O-ring. So again, I'll use my chain nose pliers to stretch that out to help get the leather ends through. And this part may take a little bit of patience, but it's worth it to keep those ends from fraying. There we go. Okay, so I can slide that down. And there we have it. And if your ends do get a little bit frayed, like this one, just kind of push them together as you're twisting in the grain of the braid there, and it'll help kind of compact the end again. So now that I have my pieces on, I'm going to take the hook and the super glue glue, and I'm going to drop a couple of drops inside. And I just want to kind of move the hook around a bit too to make sure the glue coats the inside there. Next, I'm going to take one of my ends and slide it in there, followed by the other one. And make sure I push them in both as far back as they can go, and then I'm going to hold it for a few seconds just to let the glue start to bond. After a few seconds I can let go, and then I just want to set it and let it dry for a few hours or overnight, and after that you'll be able to wear it. To wear it, you'll just slide it over your wrist and then hook the leather loop over the button part of the hook clasp. So there you go, an easy tutorial showing the hook clasps. Please watch this video and check out all the other videos that we have available at antelopebeads.com. Thank you.